This video will be your first and last video in your entire life about articles. After watching this video, you will never search on YouTube how to use articles. You must have searched on YouTube how to use English articles, or you must have read many English grammar books for learning only articles. Trust me, my friend, when I was learning English articles, I used to do the same thing. I was searching many videos on YouTube just for learning English articles, but I was not getting any proper videos. They were just confusing me in their videos. If U sound comes like U, then use A. This type of confusion I was getting from their videos. But through my journey, I have found out total 2 rules. If you can remember those 2 rules, you will never make any mistake between A or N. So in this video, I will remove your confusion between A or N. I will give you only 2 rules, not more than 2 rules. Just remember those 2 rules. You can use anywhere A or N. You will not get confused how to use A or N. Umbrella, before umbrella, N, but before university, why A? Just 2 rules. So watch this video from first to last. You will never get confused between A or N. So without wasting your time, let's kick off our today's video. So my friend, I am starting this video from the basic thing. There are total 26 letters in our English alphabet, and in those 26 letters, 5 are called vowel and remaining 21 are called consonant. Everyone knows this thing, and we also know before vowel we use N and before consonant we use A. Everyone knows these 2 common rules. But now I will give you most important 2 rules. See, first rule. Before I tell you the first rule, if you are from Bengali medium school, then relate with this 4, or if you are from a Hindi medium school, then relate with this 4. And first thing you need to remember, don't focus on alphabet. First word is U or something else. Don't focus on letters. Focus on pronunciation. It means sounds. Okay? Now, our first rule is, if any sound or pronunciation comes like A, E, U, A, these 4, what I have told you, A, E, U, A, this 4 pronunciation comes, then you will use N. Got it? This is the first rule. I will give you example later, but now remember just this one rule. First is, if the sound comes or pronunciation comes like A, E, U, A, you will use N. And let's talk about our second rule. If any pronunciation comes like U, Wa, or Ia, these 3, remember, U, Wa, or Ia, close your eyes, use A. Now I will give you example. Take any word from the world, anywhere, any word. Like our first example is umbrella. Before umbrella, what do we use? We use N. Now why N? Before umbrella we use N, before university we use A. But both words are starting with U. But why an umbrella or why a university? See, umbrella. First pronunciation, don't focus on letter, focus on pronunciation. Umbrella, A. Umbrella, A. First word is A. Or I told you, before A, E, U, A, we will use N. So as our first pronunciation is A, we will use N. Now let's talk about our university. Why we use A? See, first word, what is the first pronunciation? University. University. U. Or I told you, before U, Wa, or Ia, these 3 sound or pronunciation we use A. This is why we use a university or an umbrella. And let's take another examples like unique. Unique. U. First word is first pronunciation U. U. Or I told you, U, Wa, or Ia means what? A unique. And now take another example like 1 rupee. Before 1 rupee, what do we use? A. What? A. Why? Why A? A 1 rupee note. Oa. First pronunciation is Oa. Or I told you, U, Oa. So Oa means what? A. Are you getting my point? If you can remember just these 2 rules, you will never make any mistake. Take any example from anywhere, like wonderful. Before wonderful, what do we use? A wonderful. Why wonderful? I told you you are wa. Last word is wa. So this is why before wonderful we use a. Right? Take another example. Ear. Dash ear. A ear. Ear. You wa ear. 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 So ear means a. You can take any example from anywhere. Just remember these two rules. If first rule is if a, e, u, a comes, you will use n, or if u, wa, ya, these three sound comes, you will use a. Or before consonant sound, obviously you will use a. You know it, like tiger. Consonant sound, you will use a, right? So if you can remember these two rules, you do not need to watch any videos from YouTube. You do not need to learn articles from any grammar rules. But in this video, I will not tell you how to use the. For the, I will make separate video. So I think now you have understood how to use a or n. You will never make mistake. You cannot make any mistake if you can remember these two rules. So my friend, I think now you have understood what I wanted to tell you in this video. So I think now you will never get confused between a or n. If you think this video is helpful for you, you have learned something new from this video, please make sure share this video with those person who need this video. Like maybe your younger sister, younger brother, they are maybe in standard 5 or 6. Share this video with everyone who needs this video. Maybe they are searching on YouTube, or they are maybe learning from any grammar rules how to use articles. Who knows? Just share this video, please. It is my humble request to everyone. Share this video with every student. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Or if you are watching me on YouTube, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Or if you are watching me on Facebook page, then please consider to follow our Facebook page, because here we upload English related content or videos. Like here you can see, if you have watched this video carefully, you do not need to watch any other videos for learning a or n. So thank you so much for watching this video till right now. I will catch you in my next YouTube or Facebook video. Thank you so much.